So on this video, we are going to be looking into YouTube analytics and channel growth. So it is very important you understand YouTube analytics so that you can know if your channel is growing, doing well, and so that you can improve your channel. So we are going to be looking into some key metrics and how to use YouTube analytics to refine content strategy. Right. So now, to consider uh, YouTube analytics, it is very important you know that once you start uploading content regularly, it is time to track your channel's performance, and that's where YouTube analysis comes into play. And there are some key metrics to watch when doing that. Right now, how do we assess YouTube analytics? So on the channel, you can see this was the channel we started work on. You can see the channel currently has about 7 subscribers. Uh, Okay, this is just the first day of the video. 7 subscribers, about 159 views on this video. The video has there's so much on the video right now, right? So now let's analyze the YouTube channel, right? Using channel analytics. So come to the left hand side here. If you're using your laptop, come to the left hand side here, click on analytics. But if you're using the YouTube Studio app, you can get access to analytics on that very YouTube Studio apps. So if you click on analytics, you can see your channel got 157 views in the last 28 days. Then watch hours, about they spent 5.6 hours on the video. Then it brought about 7 subscribers, right? Can you see? Now, if we come down, you can see that the video is having what? Let me just go further into this is overview, right? If I click on content, you can see on the content, I'm having some other key metrics here. Okay, so while it's loading, let me try it. Okay, can you see? You can see views, you can see impressions, you can see impressions click-through rate, you can see average view duration. Now, on these views, you can see the view here refers to what total views for the selected date range, region, and other filters. If you look to the top right, you can see the date last 28 days. So you can pick it based on the date or the day you want to actually find information about the video. Then if you come down under these views, if you come down, you can see that there is, if you click on this, like to take you to advanced aspect of it. Can you see? So you are going to see more on the content, the traffic source, where the source is like where the traffic is coming from. So if I click now, you can see it's showing me some signs here. I can see some things here, right? Now, if I go down, you can see external. About 145 persons came through external source. Then from YouTube search, about 5 views came through YouTube search. So they searched on YouTube and they saw the video on YouTube. Then direct or unknown source from a traffic that is not known. Then other YouTube's channel page. So you can use this to analyze where your viewers are coming from. And the most important thing is this YouTube search and other YouTube features. So if people are coming through search on YouTube, it means people are searching your content. Your content is searchable. But if you're using external sources, YouTube may not really recommend your videos to people based on external sources. Maybe they are coming from Telegram or they are coming from WhatsApp. They may not really uh, show your ads or your videos to more people. But once people search and they know that your content is what people are searching, they'll keep showing it to more people. Then still on that, you can see there's geography. You can get to know the regions people are viewing from. You can know the cities. You can know the age, the viewer gender, the date, and the content type. And if you can click on this more to see more, you can see these are different ways you can get to analyze your video performance. You get to know so that you adjust. And you can also compare videos. So if you have more videos, you just have one video on this, you can compare videos to know which videos is doing better, right? So let's go back. Let's go back rather. All right, so you can see this was where we were actually explaining before it took us to the other advanced angle. So let's go back to the main channel where you see the basic analytical tools. right? So while we pay attention to that or while we are waiting for network, now views refers to what? How many times your video has been watched, right? Views are important, but they don't tell the whole story. So just views do not give you proper insights about your channel performance. But there are other factors that contribute, like watch time. Watch time is one of the most important metrics because it directly impacts your video's ranking in the YouTube algorithm. So the more time people spend watching your videos, the better it is for you. So in terms of audience retention is how that's at what point viewers are dropping off during your videos. At one point, was it after 1 minute that they dropped, right? Was it after? So it has a great way to figure out if your intros are too long or if your content gets boring halfway through, right? Then click-through rate is more of it tells about uh, how often people click on your video after seeing it. A low CTR, which is click-through rate, mean that your title up top needs improvement. So if people are not clicking through your video oftenly, it means the title of your video and your thumbnail is where the problem is coming from, because that's what is going to cause attraction. That's what will make people to want to what? Check the main video, right? So let's go back to, okay, this is now actually taking me to where I want. So let's just view channel on YouTube. Let's just go back to view channel on YouTube. Then we go back to YouTube Studio. It is the channel. You can see about some subscribers already with one video. Let's go to our YouTube Studio. I'll click on the icon, then I'll click on YouTube Studio. All right, you can see on analytics, I'll click on analytics. All right, so now on this content, on the content, it's going to be based on content that are available, right? The analysis is going to be based on content that are available, right? You can see this is the top videos and we have only one video. How people find the video, I already explained this, right? You can see impressions and how they led to watch time. Now impressions, you can see about 136 persons, then they click through. That's this 136 people saw your video, and that's the top of the funnel. 136 videos saw this video, but how many persons? Only 4.4% click through. Then views from impressions, that's views that originated from impressions for the selected date. That's 6. Then this is the average view duration, about 1 minute, right? Then watch time from impressions, just 0.1, just on impressions, not based on people that watch the entire video, just on impression. Then on audience here, you can also know about audience here, right? You can see returning viewers. You get to know returning viewers that are coming to the channel to view, right? That's the sign there. You can see it's showing 0 here. And why here is showing about 81 persons return to channel to view. Can you see? So you can see most of these metrics are not showing yet because the channel is just fresh, it's just new. So watch your videos when your videos are on YouTube. Your local time lasts, so not enough viewer for data. Now, knowing when your viewers are on YouTube can help you with building your community. So you can upload based on when people are online so that they will get notifications and they will start watching immediately, right? And returning viewers can do this oftentimes, not to always search your videos. Then this is watch time from subscribers. Your channel's watch time divided between subscribers and non-subscribers. You get total number of, right? Then coming down here, you are going to see channels that your audience watches. This way, you can learn from this, you can get to know the channels that your audience are following so that you can see the kind of content that channel is. You're not stealing, but you are trying to get inspirations and ideas from such channel so that you know the kind of channel. If it is related to your channel, fine. But if it's not related, it's going to contradict your channel. So you don't need to create all content on your channel because your viewers are following other channels. No. Create channels that resonate or create videos that resonate with your channel, right? Now, what your audience watches, from this what they watches, you can get to know what they are watching. So if what they are watching is in line with your content, you can research more on that content and create them so that they can stay glued to your channel and not leave your channel. Then formats that your viewers watch on YouTube, you can get information about the kind of format they are watching, right? It's going to display here. Then the gender also will display by age and by gender. Are you getting more viewers from male gender or females? You get to know, and at what age. You get to know most of these things because it will display. Then top geographies, you can see about 45% of this video came from Nigeria, or 6% rather came from Nigeria. You can see it's showing clearly. It's showing clearly there. So these are what we have under audience, right? Then under inspiration, you can see on inspiration. Inspiration is where YouTube suggests some things based on what you have. They give suggestion, but not all suggestions will actually go the way you want. So you can get inspiration, get ideas for your next video using what is available here, right? You can see the history of architecture in New York. It's actually something they are sharing, they're advising me to maybe consider, but it's not in line with my needs, so I don't need to create video on this, right? So that is that about metrics. It is very important that you understand how metric works so that you can use them to improve your videos. By using these metrics, you will understand what is working on your channel and what is not working so that you can improve. If a video is doing well, you can try to model such video or try to create in line with such, or even check the comments of that video to see what people are saying and asking. You can get ideas from people's questions and challenges. That's the best way to actually create content. You don't just create content, but you create content that solves somebody's problem or someone's problem. And as such, you see people, they will share your content, like, comment. And the more they interact and engage with your content, the more YouTube algorithm will share your content to more people. So that's how it works, right? There's no magic to SEO. SEO is doing the right thing that the algorithm favors and your audience. And what favors your audience is what the algorithm at times favors, right? So that's that about this video.